Let's look at Python f strings. Here I have two variables, first name, neural, last name, encoding. And in here, instead of using the format function that you've seen me use before, I'm going to use an f string. So first I'm going to type the character f, here is lowercase, and then I'm going to have curly braces. Inside of the curly braces, I'm going to write the name of the variables. So here I'm going to type f name, and you can see even Visual Studio Code already suggests to me that I can use this variable. When I put my mouse on top of that, it says this is a string literal f name. And if I just press Control on my keyboard, you can see that it's clickable. And when I click on this, it already highlights the main variable. We call this string interpolation in programming. You can basically connect some form of placeholders to existing string literals. So here now I can type the last name, L name here, and when I print this, I get the normal string, the first name and the last name together. They've been concatenated, but we did not use the addition operator. Instead, we use this f string. So this is like a raw string, because if I remove the space from this here, from, in between the two brackets, now if I run this code, you can see that the first name and last name are together as one word. I'm going to add back the space, and you will see that now the space is showing here. So although in programming, when you do something like, let me show you here as a comment, 2 plus 4, this is understood as, it doesn't make any difference if I have a space in between them. With f strings, it does, because it actually represents directly how the string should be presented when you print or when you execute your code. Now let's look at what happens if the values change somewhere. So instead, I'm going to change, first name in here. Let's say first name now is equal to YT for YouTube. Now, if I just grab this line here and I paste it at the bottom, and then I print this, you will see that the strings are going to be different, even though the line, the command is identical. And now I have neural encoding, which is neural and encoding concatenated because of this line. And then after changing the value of f name, this variable, I then got YT encoding.